After 18 months and so many completed jobs, we have finally finished the last job.
Freedom at last!
We now have a working engine, and this week we're going to take our refitted Amel Super Maramu out for a shakedown motor to be sure everything is working as it should. This is our first taste of cruising in a long time. Very much looking forward to getting more into it. Okay. You want to be on my left side, do you? Oh, you got your baby. Our baby. How are we, darling?
Very excited, a little bit nervous.
Why? We haven't told them why.
No, we're gonna start the engine and we're gonna go for a test drive.
You're pinching my bum really hard while saying this. It's a little bit...
I'm a bit nervous, to be honest.
I'm a little bit in pain, to be honest.
You'll be alright. How are you feeling?
Yeah, nervous. So we have had this engine working the last couple of days. I saw forward rotation, I saw reverse rotation, really good signs. I want to take it out for a couple hours. I want to look at how everything is working. Sorry, Bluebird is not happy, so she wants to be...
She's ready for a sail, if anything. Look at her.
So I just want to be 100% sure before we go on a big motor up to Thailand eventually. We want to be sure that the engine is 100% and everything's functioning as it should. So today is kind of like a test sail, shakedown sail, even though we don't have any sails. This one's excited.
What about you, Ocean? What do you feel?
So I'm just going to go and start the engine by shorting it at the engine because our switch and button at the control station still doesn't work. I've got an electrician that's going to come tomorrow and help me with that because no idea there, no idea. I'm not very good at filming things and doing things at the same time. I was filming myself trying to do it. I failed miserably at trying to do it. Turned the GoPro off, stopped filming, had a think, did something and then it worked and engine's running again. The dog.
Seguido me verán por el ley navegar con un perfil bajo de andar. Traigo pacas verdes buenamente siempre al frente y bien pendiente listos para accionar. No soy de problemas pero si buscan la encuentran la pacada nunca de faltar. Y bien blancos son en el Acura 905 les de arremangar.
And we're moving! Woo! Ocean, we're moving! Ah! Blue! Karen!
Hey!
We have never actually been in these waters motoring on our own. We were towed in here some 18 months ago. We're motoring by ourselves, truly incredible. Struggling to find words. Very happy at the moment, very happy.
So I've got to say, the last time we drove this boat on our own, it was traumatizing to say the least. Extremely traumatizing. So after everything's been complete and now we're motoring ourselves, we just had some waves. I don't have any trust in it right now. I'm literally starting it up, hoping it runs okay, but I do not trust it at all. So right now, the first 20 minutes of this motor, it's just about trying to gain some trust in this boat and in this engine and in myself as well. We haven't done this. We haven't gone sailing or motoring in a very long time, especially with a boat that we don't know very well. We really have to gain trust in it. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. That's what today is all about.
I do apologize if I have struggled to find the words. I have what they call breastfeeding brain. There's a lot of things going on and I'm taking care of the kids. Making sure that they're happy is my #1 priority. We're back. My main priority are the kids. If there's anything with the boat that needs to be done, Karen will be on that. Right now I'm steering. Yes! Are you feeling blue? She's a bit hot. It's understandable. This is the first little trip that we're doing, a little motor. We're testing everything out. It will be their bedtime shortly. We might go for a little dip in the ocean if everyone allows it. It does feel really, really good. There are some kinks and quirks that we need to figure out. And there's a lot of garbage in the water, and there's a lot of fishermen and whatnot. We haven't done this in so long, and it was very traumatizing, like Kieran said the last time, so I know!
Nothing is forever, you're so keen on telling me. Yeah, everybody's worried, saying that I'm in too deep. Keep it all together, move on to bigger things. Chasing all the highs, 'cause I'm not giving up my dream. No, I'm not giving up my
Freedom!
Although you don't believe
Freedom at last! How about this?
Even with the banging boom.
It's lovely out here. There's wind, there's whinging babies. There's a nice little beach over here. I had a swing past on the dinghy a couple weeks ago, and it's just lovely out here. We're just doing the test sail today, so we're not going to anchor out. I did tell the marina we'd come back, so I think they'd be a bit concerned if we didn't come back and we hadn't paid our bill. That would not be good.
How's the engine?
The engine's going really well.
Yeah?
It's holding temperature at about 85, 90 degrees, which I think is within the limits. The C drive and the gearbox are all looking great. There's not too much vibration, so I'm very happy when it comes to those. Everything in the engine room is looking quite promising.
That's amazing.
How are you, darling?
I'm good. I am a bit stressed because of these guys. Just trying to figure out the place for them and make them happy. They don't want to wear their hats, so they're in the sun a bit. They hate their life jackets, so now they don't wear a life jacket, but obviously when we go out, big sailing, we will. But no, I'm very happy, very excited. I'd like to go for a little swim.
Jump in.
Yeah?
Jump in. Woo! First swim off the boat!
Oh, I'm so excited!
It's kind of hard to put into words. When you've been in a boatyard for so long, you just want to get out of it and get back to cruising. This is our first taste of cruising in a long time, so I'm very much looking forward to getting more into it.
That was incredible! The visibility was, quite poor, but I do not care. I need to attend to my son.
Oh, baby! Oh, like a boss.
This is the current situation below. Initially we were gonna go sleep, but at least we're all happy down here. Yeah.
So we just made it back. Babies just started chucking up a huge tantrum. they both needed to sleep, and Isabel couldn't really film much and she just had to take them down to bed, but they're still quite wide awake. They normally sleep quite comfortably in the air conditioning of our boat, and while we're out of the marina the air conditioning does not work. So the boat heats up quite a bit. We've got fans, we've got everything but the aircon working, and it's a little bit new for them to be so hot, and babies, their temperature doesn't regulate as good as ours. So we have to try and get them used to it, I guess. There's no really escaping this climate. As I was coming in, by the way, I lost my forward and reverse, so I need to check up on that and figure out why that happened. But yeah, right at the critical point, I was coming in, and luckily I was going slow and cautious, but I lost my forward reverse and therefore really my control. So the guys here at the marina, they had a little dinghy, so they towed me into place, which was quite nice. So we're back exactly where we were. We sussed out the boat quite well. I saw the engine working, I saw the gearbox working. I'm going to go over everything now and make sure I didn't have any leaks. Going to check oil, check fluids, check oil in the gearbox, check oil in the C drive. So there's a few different things I got to look at, but overall quite happy with today. Hey guys. How are we traveling? Not well?
No, it's just...
You want to tell me about it?
It's just they're so small and there's no safe place to put them. Like this bed's not properly set up, like there's holes and they'll fall like in very hard spaces, and upstairs they don't like to sit in those chairs. It was very new for them. I think Ocean was a bit scared at one point. And like there was extremely hot in here. I had 2 fans running, but it was very hot and they're sticky, and you know they haven't experienced that either. So it was a lot of firsts. They've been awake for 3.5 hours, which like they normally go to sleep after 2. Yeah.
But the aircon's running now.
Yeah.
It's cooling down.
Yeah.
And that is a wrap for today. We had a very enjoyable trip out to the island. I'm very happy we did that. In the next couple days, hopefully we can actually move away from the marina and start making our way towards Langkawi and then eventually Phuket in Thailand. So yeah, some really good, really exciting times ahead. Cheers. If you want to get access to patron-only videos while also supporting us in a big way, please become a patron of Sailing Merryweather by clicking the link in the description. You'll be supporting us in making these videos the best they can be.